What's a soul without its goal? What's a soul without its control? What's a soul if it's not whole? What's a soul if it doesn't stay full? I look upon the stars, why aren't they just so far? Laying all over my car. I awoke to a cigar laying all over the bar. Isn't that just so bizarre? What's a heart without its parts? What's a heart if it doesn't start? What's a heart if it's apart? What's a heart if it doesn't restart? Over and over and over and over again, over and over and over and over again, over and over and over and over again, over and over and over and over again. What's a soul without its goal? What's a soul without its control? What's a soul if it's not whole? What's a soul if it won't stay full? I try, and why do I go back to my supply? With my eyes I try to cry, but they're only dry. There's no reason to lie, shit, I might just die. So when I reply, what's my soul without a goal? What's my soul if I lost control? What's my soul if it's not whole?